All right, let's get right into it. If you're a creator or you run a small business, you already know Pinterest is a total powerhouse. But let's be honest, are you really using it to its full potential? Today, we're going to transform your Pinterest profile from just, a personal mood board into a strategic, professional tool that actually drives your business. We're building that foundation, and we're going to do it the right way.
So, I want you to ask yourself this question right now. Is your Pinterest account just a hobby, or is it a business? Because there is a huge difference, and believe me, that difference could be costing you customers and credibility. It's really the difference between just collecting ideas and actually collecting customers.
And this slide, right here, lays it all out perfectly. A personal account? That's kind of like window shopping. It's casual, you get some limited insights, but that's about it. But a business account? Oh, that is your actual storefront. You unlock strategic marketing tools, powerful analytics that show you what's really working, and a professional look that builds instant trust. It's a complete shift in how you use the platform.
Okay, so let's get into the nitty-gritty. Part 1 is all about laying that foundation by creating your account properly, right from the very beginning. Getting this part right is going to save you so many headaches down the road.
And the first step is actually super simple. The source material is really clear on this. It strongly recommends starting with a brand new business account, even if you already have a personal one. Now, why would you do that? Well, it gives you a totally clean slate, free from any of those old random pins. It lets you build your brand with a laser focus from day one.
So, once your account is created, we move on to part 2, crafting your profile. Seriously, think of this as your digital storefront. It is the very first impression you make, and every single piece of it is prime real estate that has to be working for you.
So let's break down this prime real estate. First up, your photo. Use a really clear logo or a friendly headshot. And hey, if you are your brand, your face is going to build way more trust. Second, your display name. This is a massive opportunity for people to find you, because remember, Pinterest is a visual search engine. And third, your username. Keep it simple, keep it on brand, and ideally, make it match your other social media handles for that nice, clean consistency.
And wow, this just illustrates that point about the display name perfectly. Just look at the difference. Sarah's Shop is fine, but Sarah's Shop, digital planners and printables, that is fantastic. Instantly, anyone who lands on her profile knows exactly what she sells. And maybe even more importantly, Pinterest's algorithm now knows exactly how to categorize her and show her profile to people searching for those exact keywords. Game changer.
All right, next up, your bio. You only get 160 characters, so every single one has to count. This isn't just some random description, it's your elevator pitch. It has to be compelling, crystal clear, and tell people what to do.
And here we have a perfect example. Let's just break down why this works so well. Who does it help? Busy moms. What does it sell? Beautiful digital planners. And what's the call to action? Shop my Etsy. Boom. In just a few words, a potential customer knows everything they need to and exactly what to do next. It's perfect. Now, if you're just staring at a blank box and thinking, what do I even write? Don't worry. Here's a brilliant little shortcut. You can take this exact prompt, just plug in your own products and your target audience, and feed it right into an AI tool like ChatGPT. It'll spit out some fantastic, optimized options for you in just seconds. This is all about working smarter, not harder.
Okay, with the profile basics totally nailed down, it's time to level up and unlock the really professional features. This is where we talk about verification and something called rich pins. And trust me, these are what separate the amateurs from the pros.
So verifying your website or your Etsy shop is absolutely 100% non-negotiable. First, you get that little check mark next to your URL. That's an instant badge of credibility. Second, you unlock detailed analytics that show you precisely which pins are driving traffic to your site. And third, it's the key that unlocks rich pins, which are about to seriously upgrade your content.
So, what in the world are rich pins? Think of them like smart, self-updating pins that create a totally seamless experience for your customers. They automatically sync with your website, so if you change a price or a product goes out of stock, the pin updates itself in real time. This makes sure a potential buyer never gets frustrated by clicking a link only to find it's broken or outdated. It's professional and it builds so much trust.
Phew, we've covered a lot of ground, from creating the account all the way to unlocking these pro features. So let's wrap it all up into a simple, clear action plan. Your checklist to get this foundation built like today. Here it is, your 6 essential steps. Number 1, create that business account. 2, add a professional photo. 3, optimize your display name with those super important keywords. 4. Write a killer bio. And hey, use that AI prompt if you get stuck. 5. Verify your site to get that credibility and those analytics. And finally, number 6, apply for rich pins to put your content on another level.
Following these steps gets your foundation poured and set. It makes you look professional, it boosts your discoverability, and it unlocks all these powerful tools. But that's all it is, a foundation. So the real question isn't just about the setup, it's about what you choose to build on top of it. Your foundation is set. What will you build?